Hi guys! Today we're going to be learning how to make a paper frog easy. So the supplies you're going to be needing is some thick paper. If you do not have thick paper, just glue two pieces of paper together. If it's not so thick, then you can glue more. Two or more. So, and then the other supplies you're going to be needing is some scissors. And remember, be careful with the scissors. And just repeating, that is, we'll need thick paper.
Yes.
Thick paper. Okay. And some scissors. Again, be careful with the scissors. Always hold it like what I'm holding it right now. So, the first step you're going to do is turn it like that. Turn your paper like that. And fold that corner to almost to the edge. And like a triangle. Fold it in the shape. If you watched my box video, fold it in the shape like a triangle. Like that. I'm going to wait for me to fold it. Okay, first line up the corner. Then push. First, you have to line it up. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and share it to my sister. So what are you doing, Anya?
I'm just folding stuff.
Okay, so I'm almost done doing that. Wait for me. Okay, what are you doing?
I'm folding and this way and that way.
Wow, that's cool. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, I'm done. So after you're done with that, you're going to cut the bottom. So I'm going to cut the bottom. Cut. And tell me, my sister, what are you doing? Now, what are you doing?
Now what I'm doing is playing.
Playing? Yeah. What are you doing now?
Just folding it up. And after I'm doing that, I'm gonna play.
Okay, so you will have that strip piece. You see that? And you will have to save that triangle piece. We will need it later. Okay, so what you do with the strip piece is you're gonna fold it in half that way. That way. Make sure you line it up before you push. Oh, and if you get a paper cut, do not panic. Just be very careful next time. Because I got one and it hurts. But it's better. Don't worry. Okay, after you're done with that, you're going to fold the bottom this way in the front. Then turn your piece over and fold it the other way. And you are going to keep on doing that. And
what I'm doing is gonna play, but first we need to make the play set. Now it's gonna jump. Ooh!
Right, then you're going to cut off the excess. Then you're going to fold it in the front. And fold it one last time. Like that. And let's see how it jumps. Whoop! Oh, do you like that? Let's do it again. Whoop! Whoop! One more time. Let's see. Whoop! One last time. There we go. Oh, it jumped off the table. Wow. Do you like it? It should turn out like that. Then you're going to be needing the triangle piece that I said to keep. Then you're going to draw part of a frog on the triangle piece. So open your triangle piece up and draw part of a frog on the triangle piece. Okay. Oh, and you will also need a pen. So let's write path. What are you doing now?
I'm just playing with it.
And does it jump?
Be good with playing, and it does jump.
Okay, I made a mistake. So, like that, the head, and that. Okay, so like that. Uh-oh, I forgot to draw the edge. Okay, I'm going to draw part of it. So, after you're done then you're going to cut it out. So, I made a mistake. Just draw. I told you I just made a mistake, so calm. And I'm going to draw the eye first. So, I'm going to circle it for you. Can you see that? I know I got some water on it, but see my water's right there, so I must like that. I circled it. See? Then you're going to draw the same thing. It doesn't have to be the same length. Length means the same size. It just needs to be 2 eyes. Then you're going to draw a little smiley face. If you want to draw a big smiley face, that is perfect too.
And I drew a big smiley face.
Alright. Now we're going to test it. I haven't drawn the smiley face yet. I just want to test the 2 eyes, but I will. Let's see how our frog is doing. Boop. Oh, and if you do not want to make a frog, it's okay. You could just make a kangaroo, anything that jumps. Or enough. Look. Right. There's a smiley face.
Oh, I forgot something.
Right. Time lapse.
Glue.
Alright. After you're done cutting those out, you're going to tape them. After you're done with that, you're going to tape them with some tape. Did I say you will need tape too? Anyways, if I didn't, you'll need tape too. So, gonna tape it on, like completely on the eye. It should be a little bit bigger than the eye. Then you're going to glue it on the corner, or tape it on the corner.
So right now I am playing. So.
Oop. Oop.
I like my game a lot. And we were making a game today, so.
Right. I'm gonna be done soon.
Yeah.
Right, like that. Then do that for the other side. So remember, I said put the tape completely on the eye, then put it there. And all animals must have an eye, right? That's the most important thing. 2 eyes. Then what is missing? What is missing? The mouth. So we're going to do the same thing for the mouth.
So I'm just playing right now, so I want to play, so it's so much fun.
Now let's see how it jumps. Let me just angle that down a little bit. Okay, ready? One more time. Oop. 2 more times, I think. Did you see how that jumped? Alright. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you stay healthy and safe.